Okay, we're here now on the Push Connect Notify dashboard, which is 100% cloud-based, so it's hosted for you and everything is done through this dashboard. We'll first start off and show you exactly what you're gonna get when you're in your account. Now, when you're in your account, you're gonna be able to set up all your information from your password to your names to your autoresponders. Now, we're connected to 9 of the top autoresponders from GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, SendLane, Constant Contact, ActiveCampaign, Infusionsoft, and iContact, and ConvertKit. You can go ahead and set that up simply by clicking on exactly what you want to do and just following the simple settings. Once you're set up there, you can go back to the dashboard and you can create your very first campaign. Okay, we're going to start off by naming your campaign. So ABC12345 is going to be what I'm going to call this campaign. Once you're in the campaign settings, it's very simple. It's just a simple point and click solution. So here, you're going to set up your domain name. So we're going to go ahead and set this up. And this will allow it in which you can only use your domain name that it's set for. So if you copy this code onto any site, it won't work unless the domain name is set for this campaign. Then you can set up your optional thank you page for when they allow that push notification to happen. This is 100% optional. You don't have to use it, but if you wanted to do it, you can take them to whatever page you want to take them after they allow it or capture the email address. Here, you can check your permission delay box. So if you want that box to pop up in 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 50 seconds, you can do that right now. Last, you have the option to check and set up your campaign. Now, I've already integrated SendLane into here, so I can go ahead and click on it and pick one of my lists that I want to put it into. So I'm going to do that now, and I'm going to go ahead and put my information here. So right now, the optional and basic is final setup step, enter your email address below. You can change that to whatever you want to save it. And once you're hit, you just hit save. Now on the right hand side, you can go ahead and change everything from your icon to the words that you want to pop up to even to your button. So we'll go ahead and change this on this demo. This is a demo setting. You can change whatever here, allow button now. And you can go ahead and change even the words, allow us to notify you. Now we've got preset templates here in which you can change the icon image, or you can choose your own file, including a GIF that you can place in there as well if you like. Once you're done, you hit save changes, and we're gonna go to campaign details. Once you go to campaign details, you'll be taken to our dashboard. You've got a couple options. One, you've got your WordPress plugin. You can use that plugin on anything you want that is WordPress based, or you can connect it directly to your Shopify app as well. Now in here, you're gonna see a couple things. One, you've got the optional notepad where you can put some notes in here. You've got your geo-targeting, your Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and email subscribers as well. You wanna go ahead and grab your embed code right here. This is all it takes. We're gonna copy that, and we're gonna copy that to the clipboard, and it's gonna be showing that you can copy it right there. Now we're gonna jump to a page and exactly where you're gonna see how it works on a live demo. Okay, we're on a page here. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh it to show you that this page has nothing installed on this point. And I'm gonna jump over to preferences to show you that inside of the notification settings of blocking, you're gonna be actually able to content right here. It's gonna say pop block up notices to show you that Push Connect Notify does not comply with the typical pop-up notifications, so that you won't have this problem occur. All right, so here we are on the site. I'm gonna go ahead and paste the code real quick, that same code that we pasted into my file. I'm gonna paste it right into where we did and hit paste, and we're done. I'm gonna hit save changes. And once we jump on this page, I'm gonna refresh this page. You'll see immediately that it pops up right here. This is a demo setting, allow us to notify you. Now you've got two options here. One, if I don't allow to notify and I go ahead and close this out, you'll see that it pops up, and once I leave this page and I come back anytime, it's going to show up. Now, let me go ahead and allow this setting to show you what happens. What happens when you allow is once you do it, a box will pop up immediately to your user. Once the user sees this notification, they'll have an option to always receive notifications. Now, because I set up the optional email opt-in, once I hit that, it's gonna offer me the option to enter my email address. So let's go ahead and enter an email address here, and I'm gonna hit subscribe. Once you subscribe, you'll see two things occur. Once, it's gonna do this, and secondly, because we set that thank you page to Google, it's gonna take us to that page. Now let me go ahead and go back here to this page. Now when you come back the next time, your visitor is already set up on notifications, so they won't see that pop up. Now we're back here again, and let's pretend that the person X'd out. Now they can only X out of this if they want to press that X. When you press that X, you'll see on this bottom right hand corner that a little icon will pop up continuously based on it, and they can hit get notifications at any time, and it's a floating image so that you can always follow the customer around. If they hit that button, it's always going to pop this up where they can always allow. Now I'm in a different browser, so it looks a little bit different on this browser on Chrome, so that you can see how it works on Chrome as well. And it does the same exact thing. All right. Now let me back out of there and show you exactly what we're going to be looking at in your dashboard. So we're here and we're going to go ahead and refresh your dashboard, and you'll see here that I did 1 Chrome, 1 Firefox, and 1 email subscriber. Now once this starts populating, you'll see that people are populating right now in the United States, which is both me, because I use 2 different browsers. Now let's go ahead and jump over to push letters, which is how you're going to go ahead and subscribe people or message people. All right. So when you're here, you're going to hit send new push letter. When you click on that, you're going to have the same options where you can check different options and you can change everything here. So let's go ahead and do this. Hey, it's Jimmy showing off a demo. Let me go ahead and there. Check push connect notify here. And we're going to type in pushconnectnotify.com, right? And because we already created that campaign, you'll be able to pull that campaign, and you can exclude anybody as well if you want. And you can even repeat the number of sends, and you can schedule exactly when you want that letter to go out. So you'll see here that we went ahead and has 2 recipients. So we're going to go ahead and hit all done. And within the next few seconds, we'll see it pop up here on the right-hand side. And you'll see here on the right-hand side where it popped up. It actually popped up twice because I'm going to close one and close the second one. Because we use 2 different browsers, you're going to see the Firefox and a Chrome pop up right here on the right-hand side, as you can see that it came. And if I click on it, it's going to take me to this website. Now, we're on the Push Connect Notify. As you're seeing this, we're just a couple of days away from launch, so you're going to see exactly how it works, and you'll see that it's working just like it's supposed to. So now we're back on the main dashboard, and you'll actually see that we've got 2 people on my list now. That was me on my demo, and you can see 1 person has clicked on the link, which I just did in front of you just a second ago. That's how easy Push Connect Notify is to use. 1 simple copy of code, a few clicks of a button, just setting your example, and you can set it on any website you want. So there we have it. That's the full demo of Push Connect Notify in every aspect that you'll be getting today for your use. No catches, no gimmicks, no tricks. You can go ahead and grab Push Connect Notify right now by clicking the button below, and I'll see you on the other side.